When it comes to electric transport, Wingo has been doing a fantastic job at bringing affordable options to the average consumer. With models like the B3, which we featured on this channel a couple of months back, there are some alternative options for people looking for something that can be a solidified part of their daily commute. Well, this is their new Windgoo B20, and it promises exactly that. This is a completely foldable e-bike designed with daily commuters in mind. With a 14-inch wheelbase and a maximum range of 65 to 72 kilometers on eco-power mode, this is surely a fantastic option for those looking to minimize traffic times and maybe have a much funner commute. What's very impressive about a bike like this is its portability. In its folded state, we have a measurement structure of 67 by 36 by 58 centimeters. When you combine that with a weight of only 17.5 kilograms, you can't deny it makes for the perfect portable design. It takes less than 10 seconds to fold it down into its carry form. Being so small and lightweight makes it perfect for storing in your car, on the train, or carrying with you to and from your workspace. So let's take a look around the bike at some of its aesthetics. There is no doubt in my mind that its design wouldn't win any awards. Its somewhat squashed BMX-like build won't appeal to everyone, but it's designed to offer a rather comfortable experience. Its size when completely unfolded is 120 by 23 by 95 centimeters. So even there we still have a rather compact construction that isn't too sizable. On the front and back we have dual disc mechanical braking. I'm always a huge fan of this, as with a bike like this, with its pedals, if you do run that battery completely down, its functionality isn't rendered useless. You can just pedal it like a normal bike and still be able to use the brakes. The 14-inch tyres are sufficient for urban travel. They have been made with anti-skid pneumatic rubber, which offers a slight level of shock absorption, which to be honest is a plus, as there really isn't any suspension with this build. The build quality of this bike is truly fantastic, and I'm not just saying that, it feels like a solid piece of kit that will last. It uses an aluminium magnesium alloy body, which is extremely strong yet still able to be lightweight and durable. At the top we have our throttle, light and bell alarm switches. There really isn't a detailed display here, which is a slight disappointment. However, the small one which is supplied does give you a basic indication of how much battery life you have left. We do have a front LED light strip and a tail light built in, so for nighttime riding, well, you've got nothing to worry about. So in this housing we have a 36 volt lithium battery. Now this can take around 4 to 5 hours to go from 0 to full charge, and to be honest, with bikes I've used in the past, I found this to be not too bad, especially when you take a look at its range. So a lot of e-scooters seem to be doing away with the pedals. Their B3 was one of them, but their B20 has opted to give users a versatile experience. The bike features a 250 watt high-speed motor which comes with a variety of driving modes. A free power assisted level structure will give you that extra boost you need. So with the push of a button you can switch from manual pedaling to a pedal assisted ride. But once we are moving we can engage the throttle, sit back and enjoy cruise control. So in essence you do have a full electric scooter here, with the versatility of being able to use the pedals as well. It is a surprisingly comfortable ride. For urban travel on pavements and somewhat smooth surfaces, it's going to be a complete joy. As mentioned, you get a range of 22 to 25 kilometers on full power and 65 to 72 kilometers when you stick it in economy mode. But nevertheless, you do have a very versatile driving experience. You find yourself wanting to engage in some pedaling here and there, and then sometimes you just can't be bothered. So you let the bike do all the work. I think this is where this bike really shines: versatility in how you ride it. The speed really isn't anything special, I won't lie to you. You only get around 16 miles per hour in full power mode with the EU and UK models. This is obviously due to the regulations over here, but in my opinion, that is a comfortable and efficient speed for a daily commuter. This is IPX54 waterproof, so it will resist light rain weather and weather splashes. I think what you need to take away from the B20 is its foldable design is the perfect partner for exploring or commuting in busy city life. even if it's just being able to complete the final few miles to work or home from getting off that train. It will not only save you a fortune in the long run on taxis, buses or Ubers, but it will give you a new sense of freedom. As I said, that one-step folding technique is perfect for people looking to carry it on public transport or store it in their car or other compact spaces. Whether you're on the market for an e-bike for personal purposes, something that can offer assistance to your exercise rides just to help you through those extra few miles, or just a user-friendly alternative to having to take public transport in an increasingly congested area, I think the B20 is a really fantastic option. When you partner up that high-capacity lithium battery with its versatile riding style to suit your needs, you're getting something that can fulfill a variety of purposes for an ever-growing demographic. Take a look at the B20 in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.